Hello friends, in our previous video we learned how to make the T ratios of 30 degree, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. In today's class we will learn to make the T ratios of 0 degree acute angle and 90 degree angle. We start with 0 degree angle. We take right angle triangle ABC where angle A is 0 degree. In a right angle triangle ABC, when angle B is 90 degree, then we can take angle A as any acute angle. And as we go on reducing the acute angle A, it will ultimately merge with point B and hypotenuse will be same as base. In that situation, AC becomes equal to AB and angle A becomes 0 degree. Let us assume length AB as 1 centimeter. Because AC is also same as AB, so hypotenuse will also be 1 centimeter. AC is equal to 1 centimeter. And the third side, that is perpendicular, BC, that will be 0 because we are taking angle A as 0 degree, the acute angle. So friends, we have got all the three sides of right angle triangle with us. The required angle is 0 degree and using our previous knowledge, we will find the 6 T ratios for the acute angle of 0 degree. Let us begin. The first one, sine 0 degree. It was perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So, perpendicular here is 0. Hypotenuse we assume to be 1. 0 upon 1 is equal to 0. Sine 0 degree gets the value 0. Next is cos 0 degree. By definition, cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Base is 1, hypotenuse is also 1. So cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Next is tan 0 degree. By definition, tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular in diagram is 0 and base is 1. 0 upon 1 is again 0. Tan 0 is 0. We have calculated three basic T ratios, that is sine 0, cos 0 and tan 0. Remaining three T ratios can be obtained by just reversing these three ratios. Means cosec 0 will be reciprocal of sine 0. We substitute the value of sine 0, that is 0. So cosec 0 becomes 1 upon 0. We know that any number divided by 0 is infinite. So the value of cosec 90 degree is 1 upon 0, that is infinity. Similarly, secant 0 is reciprocal of cos 0 and cos 0 is having the value 1. So secant 0 is 1 upon 1, that is 1. And finally, cot 0 degree is reciprocal of tan 0 degree. Tan 0 has the value 0, therefore it becomes 1 upon 0, that is again infinite. Cot 0 degree is infinity. So friends, we learnt how to calculate the 6 T ratios of angle 0 degree. Next is to find the T ratios for 90 degree angle. To start with, we take the right angle triangle ABC. Remember, we used to calculate the T ratios of angle theta. Now angle theta is 90 degree. To calculate T ratios of 0 degree, we used to reduce angle theta. Now theta is 90 degree, so we have to increase it. And for that, we have to make AC erect. And when AC will stand erect, it will merge with BC. Means AC is equal to BC, or in other words, hypotenuse and perpendicular are same. And what about the base? AB. It becomes 0. So we have got three sides. Perpendicular is equal to 1, hypotenuse is equal to 1, and base is equal to 0. And angle whose values are to be studied is 90 degree. Let us begin. Calculate first the 6 sin 90 degree for angle 90 degree. By definition, sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular in case of 90 degree angle is 1 and hypotenuse is also 1. So, sin 90 degree is 1. The next one is cos 90 degree, and cos 90 should be base upon hypotenuse. Base here is 0, hypotenuse is 1, 0 upon 1 equal to 0. Cos 90 degree is 0. Tan 90 degree. By definition, tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Here perpendicular is 1, base is 0, and we know anything divided by 0 is infinite. So tan 90 degree is infinity. So again we are having main T ratios sin 90 degree, cos 90 degree and tan 90 degree, and the remaining 3 T ratios can be obtained by just reciprocal of these 3 T ratios. Like cosec 90 degree is reciprocal of sin 90 degree. We put the value of sin 90 degree, it becomes 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Cosec 90 degree is equal to 1. Then secant 90 degree is reciprocal of cos 90 degree is equal to 1 upon 0, and anything over 0 is infinite. So secant 90 degree is infinity. And finally cot 90 degree is reciprocal of tan 90 degree. 1 upon tan 90 degree means reciprocal of 1 upon 0. It becomes 0 upon 1, that is 0. Cot 90 degree is 0. So friends, in today's video we learnt the T ratios of angle A. So till now we have learnt to calculate the T ratios for acute angle 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. We should know these values properly while doing the sums based on these values. And to summarize, we write all the 60 ratios of all the main 5 acute angles in this table. Please take the screenshot of this page. Now we will explain how to draw this table. In first column, means downwards, we have got all the 6 T ratios of angle A, means sin A, cos A, tan A, cosec A, secant A, cot A. They are written in first column downwards. And in the first row at the top, it is the measure of 6 angles. That is, angle A is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. The next row give the value of sin A of all these angles, like sin 0 is 0, then sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, sin 45 degree is 1 by under root 2, sin 60 degree is under root 3 by 2, and finally sin 90 degree is 1. Then the next row, cos A, means this row will give you the value of measure of cos theta, like cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is under root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 upon under root 2, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and cos of 90 degree is 0. Now look at these sin and cos values carefully. Do you observe some pattern? Correct. When we reverse the first line in backward order, then we get the second line. means sine 0 degree is same as cos 90 degree and cos 0 degree is same as sine 90 degree. The lines are reversed, 1 half 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Then reversing 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. It means if we remember the first line of sine A, we can write without any doubt the values of cos A of all the 5 angles. And the next line is tan A. Look carefully. When we divide the values of sine A with the values of cos A, we get the values of tan A. Like for 0 degree, sine upon cos is 0 upon 1, so tan A is 0. Similarly, tan 30 degree means half upon under root 3 by 2, so it becomes 1 upon under root 3. Similarly, tan 45 degree is 1 by root 2, divide 1 by root 2, it is 1. Tan 60 degree, root 3 by 2 upon 1 by 2, it is under root 3. And the last one is tan 90 degree, 1 upon 0, not defined. So friends, we see that we have to remember only first line, sine A values. We get second line by reversing the order of numbers and the third line by dividing sine and cos values. Next one is cosec A, which was the reciprocal of sine A. So cosec 0 will be reciprocal of 0, that is infinity. Cosec 30 degree is reciprocal of half, that is 2. Cosec 45 degree is under root 2. Cosec 60 degree 2 by root 3 and cosec 90 degree is 1. Similarly, secant A got the values of reciprocal of cos A. So secant 0 degree is 1. Secant 30 degree is 2 by under root 3. Secant 45 under root 2. Secant 62 under root 2. Secant 90 degree is reciprocal of 0, that is not defined. And finally, cot A is reciprocal of tan A, means cot 0 degree is infinity, cot 30 degree under root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 degree is 1 upon under root 3 and cot 90 degree is 0. So friends, we discussed how to make this table and you should remember all these values by heart. In our next video, we will discuss the sums based on the T ratios of these angles. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel to get the notifications, press the bell button and share this video maximum with your friends. Work hard and stay healthy. Bye bye.